Life doesn't need to be busy to be meaningful. For a long time, my days felt rushed and overwhelming until I simplified them. In this video, I'm sharing my minimal daily routine, a gentle, realistic routine that helps me stay calm, focused, and present without doing too much. This isn't about productivity or perfection. It's about creating space for what truly matters. I begin my day without checking my phone right away. Instead, I take a few quiet minutes to stretch, breathe, or simply sit in silence. This helps me start the day calmly instead of reacting to notifications. I make my bed and open the windows. These small actions instantly make my space feel fresh and organized. For breakfast, I keep things simple, usually the same meals on rotation to avoid decision fatigue. Before moving on, I choose one main task for the day, just one. During the day, I work in focused blocks and avoid multitasking. I keep my phone on silent or out of reach while working. Fewer distractions help me finish tasks faster and with less stress. Lunch is simple and nourishing, nothing complicated. Minimalism taught me that easy meals are enough. I also take a short break away from screens, even if it's just a few minutes. In the afternoon, I do a quick 10-minute reset. This includes putting things back in their place, washing a few dishes, or clearing my desk. These small resets prevent clutter from building up and keep my space calm. Evenings are about slowing down. I prepare a simple dinner and clean the kitchen lightly, not perfectly. After dinner, I reduce screen time. I might read, journal, or simply relax without distractions. I reflect on one good thing from the day and let go of what didn't matter. Before bed, I do a few small things: lay out clothes, tidy one small area, write tomorrow's top priority. These steps help me end the day peacefully and wake up feeling prepared. This minimal daily routine helps me feel less overwhelmed and more intentional. Minimalism isn't about doing less, it's about doing what matters. If this routine inspired you, like and subscribe, and comment below. What part of your day feels the most stressful right now? Thanks for watching.